Hong Kong Chief Executive John Lee has warned investors to trade only on regulated virtual asset platforms after police received more than 1,600 complaints over crypto exchange JPEX. Now, the case involves more than $128 million in losses. Deborah Wong with this report.
Crypto exchange platform JPEX is under investigation for operating without the license. 8 have been arrested on suspicion to commit fraud, including accountants and social media influencers. Police searched the homes of the suspects, over-the-counter currency exchange shops, and seized laptops, documents and jewelry. The case came to light after investors filed reports over high withdrawal rates.
We would not allow the platform to use client assets or to use it for their own purposes. So this could prevent misappropriation of assets. To avoid conflicts of interest, JPEX has its own token, for example, and they were trying to sell their token to their investors. So this is also a source of conflicts of interest that we would try to stop under our regulations.
Earlier on Tuesday, Chief Executive John Lee said authorities will run more public education for investors on how to protect themselves.
The purpose of having a licensing regime is to let investors know that if they want to ensure that they are well protected, then consider investing only on platforms that are regulated. Other platforms that are not regulated by SFC, then there will be a lot of risk they have to anticipate.
The regulator had warned JPEX earlier this month for operating without a license and for misleading investors that it was licensed. Following the warning, JPEX adjusted withdrawal rates and shortly after froze transactions on Monday. The platform said it's in talks with third-party market makers to resolve liquidity shortage as soon as possible. Hong Kong's new licensing regime took effect on 1st of June as part of the city's push to become a virtual assets hub. All centralized exchanges need to be licensed by the city's Securities and Futures Commission in order to operate in Hong Kong. Deborah Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.